Y'all, I'm trying a new tape runner, but can you spot the difference? Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Yes, I am trying a new tape runner, but this tape runner seems so familiar to me. Stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back. To all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers, thank you all so much for the wonderful ways that you support me and my channel. I'm not going to take up much of your time today, but a lot of you know I've been trying new tape runners because the tape runner that I was most fond of all the tape runners I've ever used, their price doubled. Same quantity, same quality, nothing changed, but they doubled the price, which for me is just absolutely unacceptable. I cannot justify paying the price that they wanted. So when I've been crafting off channel, I've been trying out numerous tape runners, and I have run across some that I would not recommend to you, and I would not use them if I had not already paid for them. I'm just going to share this one with you because a lot of you have seen me using this on camera, and you will continue to see me use it because I paid for it. And that's the only reason I'm going to use it, is because I paid for it. The stick on it is great when you can get it to come out. With this one, I would roll it and only a partial amount of the sticky would come out. It would pull away, kind of gummy. So I did order 6 of these. You will see me use them on camera, but then once I've used all of the sticky, I will not be using this. But with anything that I'm saying, my experience might not be your experience. So make sure that you do your own homework and you decide for you whether or not a tape runner such as this one is going to work for you. I can only share with you my experience, and my experience with this one is not one that I will purchase again. So then most recently, I found this tape runner. And you get 59 feet on the roll. So when I started with this one, something felt very familiar about it. I'm going to go ahead and just flip it over so that you can see the name of the tape runner that I will be using. I will have it linked in the description box below because this is the tape runner that you will see me using. Now I'm really zooming in here, but when I started using this, it seemed so familiar to me. And then I realized it seems familiar because I have used something that's very similar to it. So when you look at these two from behind, they both appear to be the same. This one has 59 feet. This one has 59 feet. This one has a Made in Malaysia impression on the back. This one has the same Made in Malaysia impression. When you look at the two of these, they are molded identically. You have that same mark there, you have there. This is the same as this, but here's the difference. This one is the one that I'm using right now, but this one is the one that I was using before. I don't know if they're affiliated at all. I cannot say that. I don't know anything about either one of these companies, except that I like the tape runners from both. But what really got me thinking, and what confused me a little bit, is everything about these rollers are the same. Now, even when I open this, these exact same colors are offered by this maker. Same amount of tape on each roll. The only difference in this one is the tape comes out in the little dots. Very good stick, by the way. And this one, the tape comes out in a straight line, but they also sell dots. Very good stick on both. This one, I ordered this box and I got 24 in the box. I think I paid $34 for 24, and that works out to about $1.41 for this tape runner. This one, there were 12 in the pack, and on Amazon, it's about $46 for a dozen, and that works out to $3.83 per piece. Now, when I first started ordering these, y'all remember way back, we were getting an excellent deal on this because we were able to get 12 for about $19. That's not the case now. It's 12 for about $46, which is unbelievable, especially when, for me, I'm getting the same quality stick from this one that I was getting from this one. And like I said, I know nothing about these two companies. I am not saying that they are the same company. I am not saying that one company copied the other. They might just be molded in the same place and stamped differently. I don't know. But I wanted to share this with you because I do have a lot of experience with this particular maker. I used their tape runners exclusively for about 3 years. Then it got to the point where I could not financially justify the increase after increase after increase in price. So I started the hunt for an alternative. This is my new alternative, 59 feet versus 59 feet. So I'm not losing anything. Quality of stick versus quality of stick. I didn't notice any difference. I was actually using this one on camera the other day when I ran out, and I picked up this one to finish it, and I'll bet you guys didn't even notice that they were different because they're so identical. But I ask you, can you spot a difference? No. And for me, if I can't spot a difference in the quality of the stick, I can't spot a difference in the quality of the construction, and I can't spot a difference in the ease of use, then for me, it's a no-brainer, y'all. I am going to be using this particular tape runner on the channel. This is completely non-sponsored. This was ordered by me and paid for by me. This was ordered by me and paid for by me. So y'all, this is completely based on my experience with this one versus this one. And I'll say it again, as always, I encourage you to please do your own homework, do your own test, buy this, buy that, test it out, and see what works for you. But when I get the question in the future, what type snail tape runner do you use? I will be sharing that I am using this one. So that's it in a nutshell. I finally found a tape runner that I can afford, that's easy to use, and has a great stick. So please do your own homework, but I hope that this has been helpful. If it has, y'all please hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.